Hi, this is ExcelGuru Rajnikant, and here this is the query from WhatsApp group long back. I mean to say 1 week. Okay, so here we have to find the names which are not in another list. Observe, guys, what I'm saying, which is not in another list. Okay, so you have to find those are the names who are it is not available in another list. Here is the screen which I'm going to share. See, before going to share the screen, I want to tell you one thing that I need so much support from you guys because I'm taking so much time analyzing the data and finding the functions and explaining to you means it is taking more than 1 to 2 hours for me. Okay, it's not like this. Okay, it has not like this. So we have to make it think a lot. So I'm using my physical brain. Okay. So I'm thinking, means I'm taking some time for the Excel to solve the query. It's not like that. It's not like the chat GPT. I'm giving the query and getting the solution. No, not at all. I never use chat GPT. I will use only chat GPT for thumbnails, description, and tags for my YouTube. That's it. Not more than that. So I request everyone, please like, share, and subscribe. And I need at least minimum 10 likes for this video and 100 views for this video. I'm not expecting more than 1 lakh, 10 lakhs like that. I need only 100 views and 10 lakhs likes. Okay. So here is the screen. See, these are the names are not available in this list. Okay, remaining is available. See, Joe is already okay. Joe, where is Tina Sindhya? More Timmy. Timmy is there. Gigi is there. Tina is there. Okay, see Tina, Gigi, Omar, Tina, Gigi, Omar, Tina. It is not available here. Gigi is not available here. Omar not available here, and Tina is not available here. Okay, these two are different names. Okay, these two are different names here. Some names are there. Cynthia is there, Mo is there. So we have to find in from this list what names are not matching in this list. Okay, so Joe is not considered. Okay, I hope you understood. Joe is not considered. Wherever from this list only we have to find. Joe is, I think, from another list. Okay, it's not available in this list. Okay, what are the names are matching? We have to check, and what are the names are not matching in this list. Only from this list we have to check it out. So here I'm using one function to check it whether the positions. Here I'm using match, but match will pick up only look up value, means single value, but I'm giving more than one. So I'm telling the match function that please kindly make this function as array. Okay, kindly make this function as array. For that reason, I have to use special keystroke to understand that function. So it will understand that, okay, this function should convert into array. Okay, and lookup array is here. From this match, we have to look up. And as usual, 0 for exact match. Okay. So I press F9. See, wherever the names are there, it is finding the position that is in second position and fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Timmy in fourth position. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Timmy. And here is the fourth position. Are you able to understanding? See, Cynthia. Here first Cynthia is there. And it is finding in second position. It is showing 2. And again, Gigi. Gigi is not available here. And 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Timmy in third position. Timmy in fourth position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have to find that which is not available. So simply use one function, that is if to make it, to check whether is it to pick up the errors, to pick up the NA errors as a true. Okay, make it as a true, and remaining should always, as usual, false. Okay, so we are interested in true. So for that reason, I am using if it is true, so pick up of these rows minus, I already explained why I'm using this type of function, and this function is working from 2010, sorry, 2007. Okay, last one. If you want about this function, you can go through my playlist. You'll find over here about row, why I'm using this type of functions. Okay, again, I don't want to explain this function. So for that reason, okay. Here, where will it find the true? Will pick up the corresponding row numbers. F9, see what I'll do. F9, GG, 1, 2, 3, 4, Omar and Tina. These are the names are not found in this list. Okay, understood. And now what I'll do, small, I want smallest to first and last. First smallest, second smallest, third smallest. So I'm using rows function. I dollar, the function is 3. I dollar 3 colon I3. Just I'll drag this formula. So it will become first smallest, second smallest, third smallest. Now I want to find the names index of this. F4, comma, done. This is the it's an array function. You have to use control, shift, and enter, but I'm using only enter. Okay, simply you can use if error also to remove the num error. Okay, so what I'll do, I remove, okay, GG. I'll type GG over here. Okay, let me check. GG available. Okay, so remember guys, I selected still here, not still here. Okay, if you want, I can show you. I have to. Still here only I have been selected, not from here. So it will not pick up from here. Okay, so it should not available means you have to remove this GG from here and you have to add here. Understood? And if you have any more doubts, you can ask me in the comment box or you can join me in my WhatsApp group. And I'm mentioning my WhatsApp group in this video description. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day.